Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Ben. How are you today?
Hi, Alice. I'm very good, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. Today, I was thinking about the weather and the seasons. I love talking about the weather because it affects our daily lives. Do you like talking about the weather?
Yes, I do, Alice. The weather is very interesting. Every day is different, and each season has its own charm.
That's true. Today, the weather is sunny and warm. I can see blue skies and a few white clouds. It makes me feel happy.
I agree. Sunny days are very nice. I love the feeling of the warm sun on my face. It makes me want to go outside and enjoy nature.
Yes, when it is sunny like today, I like to take a long walk in the park. I also enjoy reading a book under a tree.
That sounds relaxing. Today, I plan to ride my bicycle in the park. I like to feel the breeze as I ride.
A cool breeze on a sunny day is perfect, but sometimes the weather changes very quickly. Do you remember a day when the weather was very different?
Yes, I do. Last week it was very rainy. I woke up and saw dark clouds and heavy rain. I stayed at home and listened to the rain on my window. It was quiet and a bit sad.
Rainy days can be peaceful too. I sometimes like the sound of rain. It helps me relax and think.
I agree. Rain can be very calming. But sometimes, when it rains all day, I feel a little bored because I cannot go outside.
That is true. On rainy days, I like to watch a movie or read a book. It is a good time to stay indoors.
Yes, watching a movie with a cup of hot tea is very nice on a rainy day.
Now, let's talk about the seasons. What is your favorite season, Ben?
I think my favorite season is autumn. I love the cool weather and the change of colors in the trees. What about you, Alice?
I really like spring. I love to see the flowers bloom, and the trees become green again after winter. Spring makes me feel full of energy.
Spring is very beautiful too. The weather is mild and everything looks fresh. I also like summer because it is warm and bright.
Yes, summer is great for outdoor activities like swimming and picnics, but sometimes summer can be very hot.
That is true. When summer is too hot, I like to go to the beach and swim in the cool water. I also like to eat ice cream on hot days.
Ice cream is the best. I also love summer evenings. The air is warm and you can see the sunset very clearly.
I enjoy watching the sunset. The sky turns many beautiful colors like orange, pink, and purple. It makes me feel calm.
What about winter? Do you like winter, Ben?
Winter is different. I like winter when it is not too cold. I enjoy the snow sometimes, especially when I can build a snowman or go ice skating.
I agree. I love when there is a little snow. It makes the world look like a fairy tale. But sometimes winter is very cold and dark.
Yes, very cold winters can be hard. I like to stay indoors with a warm drink like hot chocolate and watch the snow fall outside.
Hot chocolate and a warm blanket make winter days much better. I also like to read a book by the window and watch the snowy trees.
It is interesting how each season gives us different feelings and ideas for activities.
Let's share some of our favorite activities in each season. In spring, I like to visit the park and see the flowers. I also go to small outdoor markets to buy fresh fruits and vegetables.
In spring, I enjoy walking or riding my bike. The air is fresh and the weather is perfect for exercise. I also like to have picnics with friends.
That sounds lovely. In summer, I like to go swimming at the local pool and have picnics in the park. I also enjoy outdoor barbecues.
In summer, I love going to the beach. I swim in the sea and play beach volleyball with my friends. The water is cool and refreshing.
Yes, the beach is very fun in summer. What do you like to do in autumn, Ben?
In autumn, I enjoy watching the leaves change color. I take many walks in the forest and collect some beautiful fallen leaves. I also like to visit local festivals.
Autumn festivals are great. I love when the city holds a small market and people sell homemade foods and crafts. The air is cool and you can wear a nice sweater.
Sweaters are my favorite in autumn. I like to wear my soft, warm sweater and a light jacket. Autumn is a good time for cozy clothes and hot drinks.
And in winter, I like to go ice skating. If the ice is safe, I also like to visit Christmas markets and see the lights and decorations.
Yes, winter is very magical. I enjoy sitting by the fire with my family, telling stories, and eating warm food like soup and bread.
Each season has its own magic. I think that makes the year very interesting.
I agree. No matter what the weather is like, there is always something fun to do. It helps us appreciate the beauty of nature.
Let's talk about the current weather a bit more. Today is a warm, sunny day. Do you think this is the best kind of weather?
I do like sunny days, but I think every type of weather has its own charm. Sunny days are great for outdoor activities, but rainy days can be peaceful, and winter days can be cozy.
That is true. I think I like sunny days for the energy and brightness they give. But I also enjoy the calm of rainy days when I can read a book at home.
Exactly. Sometimes I prefer a cloudy day when I can relax and listen to soft music. Weather can affect our mood, and that is interesting to me.
Yes, the weather can change our mood. When it is sunny, I feel excited and happy. When it is rainy, I feel calm and sometimes a little reflective.
And in winter, when it is cold, I like to feel warm and safe inside. I might cook a nice meal or watch a favorite movie.
I do the same in winter. I love to cook, and sometimes I bake cookies for my family. Baking makes my house smell wonderful and makes me feel cozy.
That sounds wonderful. I also like to bake during winter. Cookies, cakes, and even bread make me happy when it is cold outside.
It is nice how weather can give us ideas for fun activities. Even if the weather is not perfect, we can find something enjoyable to do.
Yes, I believe that every kind of weather has something special. I learn to appreciate each day, whether it is sunny, rainy, cloudy, or snowy.
Do you check the weather forecast often, Ben?
Yes, I do. Every morning, I look at my phone to see if it will be sunny or rainy. It helps me plan my day.
I do the same. I like to know if I need an umbrella or a hat. Planning my clothes for the day depends on the weather.
That is very practical. I also plan my outdoor activities based on the weather forecast. If it is too hot, I will stay indoors, and if it is cool, I will go out.
I remember a day last week when the forecast said it would be sunny, but then it started to rain. I was surprised and had to change my plans.
Sometimes the weather forecast is not perfect. I once went to the park because I thought it would be warm. Then it started to rain, and I had to run home quickly.
Yes, nature can be unpredictable. But even on days like that, you can find a little adventure.
I agree. It teaches us to be flexible and enjoy the moment. Sometimes a surprise rain shower can be fun.
After a rain shower, I like to see the fresh, clean air, and sometimes a rainbow. It is very beautiful.
Rainbows are my favorite. They are a sign of hope and beauty after a storm.
Let's talk about our favorite season activities again. What do you do on a perfect summer day, Ben?
On a perfect summer day, I love to go to the beach. I swim, play volleyball, and sometimes have a picnic with my friends. I also ride my bicycle along the coast.
That sounds like so much fun. I love summer too. On a hot day, I like to go swimming in a pool or a lake. I sometimes have a barbecue with my family.
Barbecues are great. They bring people together, and you can eat delicious food outdoors.
Yes, and the smell of grilled food is very inviting. What about autumn? What is your favorite activity in autumn, Ben?
In autumn, I love to take long walks in the park. I enjoy watching the leaves change colors. I also like to take photos of the red, yellow, and orange leaves.
I love autumn walks too. The cool air and the colorful trees make me feel refreshed. I also like to drink warm apple cider on chilly days.
That sounds delicious. In winter, do you like to go out? Or do you prefer to stay inside?
In winter, I like both. If there is light snow, I like to go for a short walk and see the snow on the trees. But if it is very cold, I prefer to stay at home, drink hot tea, and watch a movie.
I do the same. I enjoy sitting by the fire and reading a book when it is cold outside. Winter gives me a chance to slow down and relax.
It is amazing how our activities change with the weather. Every season has something unique to offer.
Yes, and I think that is why I love the seasons. They give us different experiences and memories.
I agree completely. Each season teaches us to enjoy life in different ways.
Do you ever plan your trips or activities based on the season, Alice?
Yes, I do. In spring, I plan trips to the countryside because I love the blooming flowers and fresh air. In summer, I like to travel to the beach or go hiking. In autumn, I often visit parks to see the changing leaves. And in winter, I plan indoor activities like visiting museums or going to the theater.
That is a good plan. I try to do the same. In summer, I want to swim and relax by the water. In winter, I like to visit warm places or try winter sports if there is snow.
Winter sports are fun. I would love to try ice skating or even skiing one day.
I have tried ice skating before, and it was a lot of fun. I was a little clumsy at first, but then I got better with practice.
Practice makes perfect, right? I think trying new activities is exciting, even if you make mistakes at first.
Absolutely, Alice. Learning new things is always a good experience.
I also like to try local food when I travel in different seasons. For example, in autumn, I love to eat pumpkin soup, and in winter, I like to have hot chocolate and cookies.
Food is a big part of the culture in every season. In summer, I enjoy eating fresh fruits and cold drinks, and in spring, I love to try dishes with fresh vegetables.
Yes, food and weather go together. The right meal can make a day perfect.
I agree. Every season has its special taste and mood.
Talking about weather makes me feel grateful for nature. I am happy when I see a clear blue sky or a beautiful rainbow after rain.
Me too, Alice. I feel lucky when I can enjoy the outdoors. No matter what the weather is, it reminds me that life is full of little wonders.
I think we should always try to appreciate the weather, even if it is not perfect. Every kind of weather gives us a new experience.
Yes, and sometimes a rainy day or a cloudy day is just what we need to slow down and think.
Exactly. Our moods change with the weather, and that is natural. We can learn to enjoy every day.
I will always try to find something beautiful in every season. Whether it is the warm sun of summer or the crisp air of autumn, there is always something to love.
Thank you for this lovely conversation, Ben. I really enjoy talking about weather and seasons with you.
Thank you, Alice. I enjoyed our chat very much. It makes me appreciate the small details in life and the beauty of nature even more.
I hope we can talk about these topics again soon. Maybe next time we can share our plans for the upcoming season and what new activities we want to try.
That is a great idea, Alice. I look forward to discussing my plans for next season. I might plan a trip to a park or try a new sport outdoors.
And I will think of new recipes to try on a cold winter day or new places to visit in spring.
Wonderful. Let's promise to share our ideas and experiences often. It makes our friendship stronger and our days more interesting.
I promise, Ben. I am very happy to have a friend who loves nature and the seasons as much as I do.
I feel the same, Alice. Every day is a gift, and the weather makes each day unique.
Have a great day, Ben, and enjoy the beautiful weather.
Thank you, Alice. I hope you have a wonderful day too. See you soon, and goodbye.
Goodbye, Ben.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.